Hello there and a very good morning to you on this, the 31st of December, the last day of 2025, and it becomes increasingly colder into the new year. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Currently, we do have high pressure across central and western areas, hence the reason why you're seeing some freezing fog. However, winds will pick up from the north as we inherit air from the Arctic. And here's your warning for snow and ice as we enter New Year's Day. It's across central and northern areas of Scotland. We'll see a significant wind chill as winds pick up to severe gale force across the far north and northeast. And those snow showers really pushing southwards. So particularly over higher ground, we could see drifting accumulations up to 20 centimetres in places, but even at lower levels as well. And as we head through the first few days of 2026, those snow showers will continue and we'll see them across windward facing coast, so even further south as well. Now, low pressure sits across Scandinavia, high pressure across Greenland, so we're really in the middle here and more under the influence of that low pressure with a squeeze on the isobars, so a significant wind chill through the next few days as that cold front sinks southwards and then further bands of snow showers push southwards as well. The risk of ice associated where you see those showers. So yes, it remains very cold indeed through even into the weekend of 2026, the first weekend of the new year. For the time being, if you're stepping out, it's windy across northern Scotland with some showers, and then we run into this frost, which is severe in places. Temperatures overnight dip down to -6, -7 degrees Celsius, and with a light breeze, we are seeing some freezing fog patches as well. A little more clouds across central southern parts of England and Wales. A few showers perhaps for the Scilly Isles, the Channel Islands, but for most it's a dry morning, a dry start to the day. And once the sun rises, most of you seeing some bright weather, if not some sunshine. However, through the morning, these showers across the far north and west of Scotland will sink down across Scotland and they'll become fairly frequent in places, particularly across more northwestern areas. That wind will be a feature of the weather. Through the morning also, cloud will slowly roll in across the north and the west of Northern Ireland, much of Scotland, eventually the northwest of England, as well as northern parts of Wales. Elsewhere, some bright weather to end the year, but it will be cold wherever you are, and that frost returns quickly where you see clear skies as the sun sets. Temperatures then 6 in the north, 3 to 5 degrees Celsius further south. So a chilly end to the year, a cold one, and turning even colder as that wind picks up some strength. However, if you are out and about celebrating New Year's Eve or Hogmanay, you may run into some fog across England and Wales where those winds are light, freezing fog once the temperature dips below freezing, and a bit more cloud coming and going further north. But showers will continue across more northern and western areas of Northern Ireland through the evening, 1 or 2 running in across Cumbria as well as Lancashire, border regions, Dumfries and Galloway. Frequent bursts across more central parts and northern areas of Scotland, and those showers increasingly turning to snow as that cold air really digs in and those winds pick up further strength. So it's going to be a cold end to a New Year's Eve and into New Year's Day. Well, those showers will continue. So through the evening then, here's your broader picture. You can see a bit more clouds, some clearer skies, some fog in the south, a few showers running southwards, scattered across the far south and southwest, but frequent showers across Scotland, and then increasingly to snow as that snow and ice warning kicks in at 6 a.m. So expect accumulations with this snow, particularly at higher ground, up to 20 centimetres in places. A significant wind chill, expect drifting as well, and snow down to lower levels. Notice a few running in, that's wintry showers across Northern Ireland. The cloud comes and goes through the beginning of 2026 further south with a few showers in the mix as well, and that wind will really push in. So highest temperatures likely to be probably around 11, 12 o'clock at lunchtime, and then they'll fall away through the afternoon as that Arctic air extends southwards. And that means the 2nd of January 2026 will be a cold one, temperatures 3 to 6 degrees Celsius with snow showers on windward facing coasts, so even as far south as Wales. And here's your outlook through Saturday. A frosty start, a cold day, and still some wintry showers in the mix, mostly of snow. Wherever you are, take care. Stay tuned to the forecast. We'll keep you updated with our 10-day trend today. And Happy New Year to everyone.